her. She got performance if you need water. Just costs a little bit more on the fuel bill. That's all. Here's where we are, here in Pennsylvania, Dobbins Landing. Look at that. It's a little dirty right now because it's a dreary day, but this is it. Everybody listen. Look at this. Yeah. Please like, share, subscribe if you like what you see. Look at the sky. Look at this. It's about 65 degrees out, I would say. Look at that. Beautiful. That's a good picture right there, I'll tell you that.